Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum and I'm here today at Morphy's taking a look at the rarest of the Colt Snake revolvers. These are the two variations on the Colt Boa. So just a little brief bit of background. Colt has manufactured 7 different revolver models named after big snakes. Now, obviously the most common and the most well-known of these is the Colt Python, which has, huge storied history, extremely popular guns, very high quality, precisely hand-fitted, beautiful guns. 357 Magnum. That's the star of the Snake line, but there are 6 others, and some of them are pretty rare. For example, the Colt Viper that we looked at a little while back. I'll link to that one in the description text here. But the rarest of all of them is, in fact, the Colt Boa, because the Boa was only ever made once in a single batch for one. It was actually a custom order for the Lew Horton distribution company that wanted something that would be in between sort of the standard Colt Mark V 357 revolver and the Python. The Python was really expensive, and Lew Horton thought there was a market for something that would be a little bit toned down from the Python, but still better than sort of the standard production guns. And so they arranged with Colt to manufacture a batch of 4-inch and 6-inch 357 Magnum guns. These are all made on the standard Colt Mark V action, but they're hand-fitted, they're nicely made, they're given this gorgeous Colt royal blue finish. And Lew Horton had these manufactured in 1985 and sold them almost all immediately. They made a total of 1,200, 600 4-inch and 600 6-inch. So let's take a closer look. So the only difference in the two variations of Boa is the barrel length, 4-inch and 6-inch. They both have full underlugs. They both have ventilated ribs up there, adjustable sights. Like I said, Colt's royal blue finish. We have the Colt pony logo on the frame there. And then the barrels are marked Boa 357 Magnum cartridge. They were all in 357. They will, of course, also shoot 38, as will any 357. And then on the right side of the barrel, we have Colt's manufacturing mark. So Colt's Patent Firearms Manufacturing Company, Hartford, Connecticut. Being Colt revolvers, these have the pull backwards cylinder latch. Pop the cylinder out. It is a 6-shot recessed cylinder there. Star ejector, of course. The serial numbers are on the crane underneath, or on the frame underneath the crane. The serial number pattern is they all start with Boa, and then they have a 4-digit serial number. So the two barrel lengths were numbered sequentially. The way they did it is the 4-inch ones were odd numbered, and the 6-inch ones were even numbered. So this is 4-inch, it's number 43. Then our 6-inch here is number 44. So there are 600 of each barrel length. 500 of those were sold individually, and then the first 100 of each size were paired up and put and sold as cased sets of consecutively serial numbered guns. So starting with number 1 and 2, going all the way through number 99 and 100, they were available as a cased pair, and this is one of those, of course, with 43 and 44. The rest of the features here are really what you would expect from a pair of very nice high-end Colt revolvers. Gorgeous finish, nice grip. It's a large grip. It fills the hand nice and snugly, which you would want for 357 Magnum. It may not be 44 mag, but it's still a reasonably potent, a quite potent cartridge. Double action or single action, whichever you prefer, and adjustable target sights. You got a white U notch in the back and a red insert in the front sight for some nice contrast. For people who are looking to collect all of Colt's Snake revolvers, this is the hardest one to find, just because there was so little production of them. Most of the Snakes are available in a huge variety of different configurations. The Boa, nope, you've only got the 2. So at least there, it's kind of an easier thing to collect. You're not trying to chase down a lot of different variants. But for someone who wants the full Colt Snake collection, this is probably the holy grail of it, an original cased pair of sequential serial number Boas. So big thanks to Morphy's for giving me the opportunity to take a look at these and film them for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.